Hello, this is Lucy. Hello. Welcome back to my pattern journal. Today we are going to cut this pattern. We are using basic folding method 3. The pattern repeats 6 times in a circle. If you would like to see a more detailed folding method, the link is below this video. Is for cutting out. I always say the pattern on the screen is just a reference, and you already saw how it's going to look like before the color in the beginning. So be creative and try to make some changes to the design. Create something unique. Although even you don't make a change, it's still going to be unique. If you have a friend do this with you, you will find out that your pattern look different from each other after the color. Even you do the same color and drop on the same spot, the result will come out differently. If you like it and want to see more pattern and color, subscribe now and tell me any color combination you would like to see. I will try it. Alright, see you next Tuesday.